Hi guys, welcome to my channel. I am Vaigupta Vlogs. Uh, Today I'm making video on unboxing the Sena R35, which I got from 6K IOM from Bengaluru. I recently, went on my expulse from Hyderabad to Bangalore. I don't have a GoPro to record that, so didn't make the video. But I thought, why not I share the unboxing experience of the Sena R35, which I'll be putting on my Thunder Thunder Plus carbon. Here's the box. Just remove this, and looks pretty dope. Look at this, amazing. We got one sticker and a keychain as well here within the lash. The first one. Let's get started. So here's the manual. Beautiful device inside. Here's the device with different face plates. We get this. We get this one, and we get one more which is black. So total 4, and here's the device. The white one on the device here, and let's see what else we get. Let's keep it aside. I think here there are some. Yeah, there are mounts if I want to use the 3M mounts, adhesives, and what else? Yeah, Velcro stickers and all that. Very premium packaging, very nice packaging. Here's the mount. I'm not gonna use the sticker mount, but let's see what else. Here is one more thing. Looks like the mic. Yeah. Here's the mic, the boom mic. Some spacers for your helmet for the fit, and one long mic with the charger. Here, this is mic and the charger. And looks like we got a little dead cat with it. Yeah, for the mic, for the boom mic. So that's the stuff. So here I have unboxed the product, Sena R35. Here, this is the empty box. We get a mic inside with some speaker spacers. Here are all the stickers and everything which you get, including the 3M mount for your helmet if you want to use that mount. And here is the product itself. It comes with the white color on, excellent packaging, looks dope. And with that, it is attached. This is called the HD speakers, second gen HD speakers. And we get 3 color plates: black, one gunmetal, and I think this is something which I'm gonna use on my helmet. Maybe I'm gonna keep changing it, experimenting it, and I'm gonna put it on this helmet. So stay tuned.